Hi, this is a quick video showing you how to use the Snipping Tool to create PowerPoints or do anything that you need to do in the classroom. So here I already have several snips. This one right here, 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 and here. And it's quite easy to do this. So I'm going to go to a new slide. I'm going to click over here, and then I'm going to type down in the search box snip. I'm going to press enter and it should pop up here. It's on my toolbar and there it is. So to create a new snip, I'm going to make sure that I've got what I need out, which would be this Word document with this fantastic resource my TOA provided. I'm going to click New. I'm going to do that. At this point, you can mark it up. You can save it to your computer. You can also copy it, which is usually what I do because I just want to make it quick. So I right click, click copy, or click here, right here. I can minimize that, minimize this, and then all I do is the Control V, and it's in my thing. At this point I can increase the size, make it smaller. It's your choice. And you can do this for anything, even a web page, which is where I got all of these. These are all from StudySync's curriculum. But you can also do any website, anything. You can snip it, and it makes it nice to have the visuals. And you can copy and paste them into any of the Word, even Excel, PowerPoint, anything like that. Thanks for watching.